Guys, I was just playing some Incessant, right? Just making it. And, well, I keep hearing creepy laughter, demonic laughter. God, I can't talk. And I think I figured out what it is. I've got the, item in my hand. It's really funny. Just take a listen. It will play in a sec. It just plays randomly. Just wait. That. And guess what sounds familiar? Well, you know the nether ambience. It includes like the witch, like a slowed down like witch noise. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing in my world when I place that there. Yeah, I just place one there because it looks nice, and obviously I'm changing this to vanilla. So every hour I would just hear that, and I looked up what it is, and I found out that other people are experiencing it. So it is to do with a mod and certain blocks. I don't know if it's intended to do this. Probably is, but it's pretty weird for the gnome to have all noise, honestly. Unless it's just a little Easter egg or something. But does it sound familiar to this? Not that. Does that sound familiar to this? That just sounds like Bowser. It does though. I think it's just like a yeah, just keep hearing that. And guess what it deserves? Take that, you idiot. Anyway. Let me try and get it the right sound. I do not know how they made that sound, because it's definitely a source off of the witch. Okay, you can die now. You're literally, I literally broke the block and it's still playing. Anyway, all I have to say to this little guy, and also, and maybe a little bit of more. There we go. Ha ha. Oh my god. You shut up. Okay. Good boy. Not playing. Okay. So, I'm going to show you a bit around. I guess I could. I haven't done much. I haven't, like, showcased as much. Why is it still playing? Are you guys hearing this? It's still playing. It's a bit weird. But anyway, yeah, I kind of broke some of the paintings with the, Thunder ability. That's going to be an ability for Herobrine, I guess. And this piano is going to get removed. Sad. Okay. And these books. Wait. Let me see if I can. If I didn't replace the books on the top floor, like there was a, you know, the evoker like room thingy. Probably wouldn't know, but yeah, don't worry. I experimented with the lava system. Where did it go? Is it on the second floor? You've got to be kidding me. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit scary, don't you think? Yeah, I just experimented with the lava system, so don't worry about it. Ah, yeah, it is still there. Damn, the evoker definitely studies. I'm not going to be able to study in a minute. Looks just gone forever. But anyway, apart from that, this map is going to take a while to fix. I kind of tried to rediscover some of the command blocks for the lightning ability. And I had to destroy the whole flooring. Well, not all of it, just a bit of it. But that messed up the floor pattern. So yeah. And it looks. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, maybe it's not best to put my finger over the like put my finger on the scroller wheel. Okay. Anyway, I want to see you. I want to show you this animation for door and stuff, like block. Yeah, wait for it. Yeah, I made this by myself. It's pretty good, honestly. And do not go down here. Let me just show you what happens. Because it's quite obvious what happens. Oh, this is the lobby. Yeah. This is where you spawn at. Die. I guess. I reworked it a bit. This is where the shop's gonna be. I haven't finished it yet. Still thinking of a shopkeeper. There's music and everything. It's a pretty nice place, honestly. I thought it was string there. Why is string in the lobby? Never placed that. Anyway, it's a pretty cozy house. Music's quite good, and yeah, you can blow up the candles. I light them back up for more people to blow them out. Yeah. Anyway, you can't die in the lobby because the fire. There's a barrier there. You might be able to, but it might just break the game. I might like add something that kills you in the lobby, but like I said, it would break the game. So other than that, cool house. That's where the credits are gonna be. I haven't finished them yet. Because one of my friends that agreed to help can't play with me at the minute because like he has like a so yeah. I haven't finished the outdoors. This music is really annoying. But anyway, you can at the minute it's definitely not finished because you can go through there one for obvious reasons. If you're wondering if Alex is in here, no. I'm sorry, Steve, Alex isn't in here yet. You can play as Alex or Steve. Yeah, it's just a lot of random stuff in the lobby. It's a nice place to chill out, I guess, with friends. Just sit down. And this is where all the fan art is going to be in. I kept it separate from the lobby, so it's like fan art here, as you saw in the teaser trailer. But anyway, this is also a teaser, I guess. Yeah. Apart from that, this place is looking cool. Don't you think, guys? It's looking a bit empty and everything. Also, if you're wondering why there's fire there was a soul lantern there. And I thought, you know what, let's add a bit of an L guard so the creature smash through the flooring. And yeah, but weird, right? Anyway, apart from this place, I am going to show you more of the maps. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the thingy bob again, the mansion map. It's called Arthur's Mansion. Yeah, Arthur's Mansion right there. There's going to be a courtyard. Don't worry about all this stuff. It's just LMSs and music and stuff. This is going to be a map called Minecart Mayhem, and I thought of it, and it's actually my favourite map now, definitely. But that is definitely the biggest map in Incessant because how many rooms, and it plus a courtyard outside. Imagine trying to find somebody in that map. The chances are very low, unless there's just that one person wandering everywhere for no reason, not knowing what to do. Just a new player just wandering everywhere. It's pretty hard to find people, so you're gonna get extra time on this map. Now, please do not shout at me, because the time you get to find people in Incessant, the normal time is 3 minutes 30 seconds. So I think it's best if it's 5 minutes, but you might say that's too long. They're gonna just hide somewhere and they'll be fine. Well, good luck trying to find people in like 20 rooms or something, or like 30 rooms. I do not know how many rooms there are. There's lots of hallways and stuff. But that is a cool map, honestly. Oh, don't worry about that. That's just gonna be the skins and stuff. 3D renders, you know. Oh yeah, there's this other map. It's called. It's gonna be called the Creaky Campsite, and it's pretty. It's pretty boring right now. Yeah, I haven't actually finished it, of course. But this is gonna be like a teleporter. So you step on that pressure plate. This will be another giant tree, and you're gonna be teleported to that other tree. Yeah, pretty cool. Also, this is gonna be like a hazard. There's gonna be like creepers that slow you down. There's also gonna be bear traps everywhere. So yeah, the usual. Oh yeah, this map. This map is pretty yeah. Why is there just a piece of scaffolding here? Oh yeah, I remember. It's like a table for a computer. There's gonna be computers that you have to fix this map, maybe. But anyway, this map isn't quite done, but you get the taster for it. It's gonna be a glitched map. Yeah. Also, this is a hazard. Yeah. Pretty, I might have to, this can really, give you motion sickness. So, I might put a warning. So, yeah. So I stepped on this quite a lot, of course. I'm stepping now. I shouldn't have stepped on it in the first place, but it's really hard to step on because if you it uses command blocks, so it's not as quite good. Look, I definitely didn't step on it. It's just command blocks detecting things isn't really good. Like, you know, like nearest player isn't that well, isn't really that good, honestly. It just says, oh, you know what, I'll find the nearest player instead of the actual player you want. Obviously, you can set that, but they have made stuff, so you just have to get good at command blocks. Or just look at a. Oh my god, I can't speak. Just look up a tutorial or something. But anyway, this is a pretty well made map at the minute. Well, not really. All of the maps aren't finished. The lobby is almost finished, but not the skins. Let me give you a taste of the skins. This is just the survivors. We have Steve, we have Alex, we have Sunny, we have Ori, we have Eve. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Just a few survivors and a few killers. Skins for Steve. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be me. Yeah, that's. I use Block Bench to make the skins and stuff, and well, bookmark 1, which is gonna be the. It's gonna be a bit like like milestones are like there's just gonna be like a replacement for milestones. Like there's gonna be two for like one for like their past and another for their future. Um, but anyway, this is bookmark one. The chest plate kind of glitched, but what it was gonna be is this was gonna be like a backpack and that's gonna be his torso, I guess, and it's gonna be like it's gonna be like a a jumper, I guess. Yeah. This is gonna be mysterious figure. It's definitely not his dad. Um, but anyway, I kind of lost a bit of progress. Wait, actually, I didn't. You know what? I'm gonna find out which was the mod that added all the incessant stuff. But anyway, Herobrine's sword was previously made, but I think the redesign now is just looks cooler. Like, look at that item, that 2D item. It looks nothing like the 3D one, but it is powerful. I kind of had to debuff the sword to 6 damage because when I tested it, it was a bit overpowered. Like, this is basically now iron sword, and that is still that still does a lot of damage. Somehow, I do not know how. If you combine it with the lightning rod, then it is like really good, and this is gonna be a free killer. But there's gonna be another free killer that's based off a skin pack that Minecraft made themselves. And also, have you heard of that YouTuber logs out of the sip? Well, he just. I'm sorry, no offense, but I can't pronounce his name right. Let me just show you. I'm gonna take some killers, like, things from there. Let me show you the skin pack. It's not these. Don't worry. Uh, uh, what? What the hell? Hang on. Uh, don't. Uh, don't worry about. Don't worry about these skin packs. Um, I don't know what these skin packs are, but let's just find it. Oh god. Oh wait. Oh wait. I can literally just go to this right here. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So the one I'm gonna be adding is this guy. Oh, God, bro. I do not know what I came across. I'm getting really worried about this marketplace for skins. Like, it's getting a bit too far now. But yeah, this is gonna be the incessant version of Slasher from Forsaken, obviously. Uh, okay. Uh, yeah. But anyway, yeah. those skins are a bit questionable. Kind of scared for the community, but ignore that. Let's just get back to talking about Incessant. So basically, yeah. What was that skin pack at the bottom? Oh god. Yeah. Oh yeah. These are from Note Block Matt. Hang on. I didn't put the sign down. I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Note Block Matt. But anyway, just go subscribe to him, I guess. Let's have a little play. My, what, why is it shing? The tree just got shung. It was like shing. It cut off half the tree. Okay, that's something. But anyway, I see the other trees. No, no, it can't be. Did they cut off? Did they? It's just that tree. It's usually no, no. It's usually the one near the coast. It's just, bro, my world is already corrupting. This is what Minecraft updates are doing to. No, are you seeing this? Look at that. What? No. How's this happened? I bet the next update there's gonna be lots of trees that have been cut off. Why? Why? God, I flipping hate this. Why do they have to cut off half the trees and stuff? Honestly, the world corruption with from updates is just unreal. This is getting a bit worrying. There's two things that are worrying. Actually, yeah. 3. The Minecraft marketplace and skin packs and the update corruptions. Don't worry about that. That is not a kind of exact replica of a Forsaken map. Definitely not. Yeah. Oh, don't worry about that. That's just me. That was just me vibing to Lava Chicken. This is what happened. Yeah, pretty cool. Also, mobs aren't supposed to spawn. There's a what? Why is there a staircase there? That's outdated. So outdated. There's no more fire resistance. There's no more fire resistance for Steve anymore. Goodbye. Because of one of the maps that include a lot of lava. What the hell? Okay. So there's this glitch for YouTube now. If you if you have two screens, and you press a random button, like the one that unpauses stuff and stuff, one that oh I don't think I was just watching a Forsaken video. Don't worry about that. But anyway, apart from that, yeah, that's what happens if you press up arrow. Yeah, so do not press up arrow if you have two screens and one has YouTube on it. Otherwise, it won't go so well for you. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. It was just me talking. You didn't have to watch this video. I'm just kidding. Anyway, that was just a bit of teaser and stuff. Wait, what the hell was that? Oh yeah, it's because the borders. Just look at this. Yeah, it's pretty broken, honestly. But anyway, look at my skin. Because there was like a Christmas skin for this, I forgot to remove those parts. Like, you see those white specks there? Not the one that shows Hero by Nice, I guess. The ones there. Yeah, I forgot to remove those, like 4. But anyway. That should be it. Oh my god. Oh. Anyway, wanna hear some LMSs? I'll play the default one, shall we? Let's play the default. And everybody knows why it has to be extended. Anyway, goodbye guys. Bye. Also like and subscribe. Comment. Like this. The Incessant, okay? This music's a bit too loud. But just comment any